If you want to be mobile or you just want to get the smallest light stand but tall light stand, then this K&F light stand is what I want to share with you guys today. When I travel, I have the carry-on bag and I just strap on the light stand onto the side right here like this. The airlines accept my carry-on as long as I'm strapped in, then they accept this as a carry-on, and I just put this whole thing on top of the overhead bin in the airplanes. This is 19.6 inches and it could extend all the way up to 79 inches tall. I use this for my video camera as well too, because it does come in a bundle of two. One of them I have the camera on it to film my interviews, and then the second one I have a light on top. This is first of its kind, I swear to God. Usually light stands don't look like this, but the fact that I made a light stand look like a tripod, it's very interesting. You can make it taller, and look at that. Oh, that's very tall. Okay, so I am 5'9", and as you can see, the light stand is, I don't know if I could scoot back a little bit more. The light stand is way up there. On the bottom, there is a hook. So I definitely recommend putting your camera bag on the bottom, put some weight on it so that it doesn't move around too much. You can also click on this button right here and make it wider. And that will allow this light stand to be way more stable. Like, you really can't knock this down for sure. The leg is super wide. All the way, legs spread out. This is not going to fall unless, of course, someone just tackles it, but of course that'll break. But of course, that will sacrifice the light being kind of my head level. It's a give and take, that's for sure. And of course, it doesn't have to be that wide too. It's like a little transformer. Pop this out. Boom. As you can see, there you go. Little mini tripod. It's fun, it's light. So if you are looking for a very tiny tripod that can be flexible, that can be used as a light stand, can be used as a tripod, strap it to your bag and carry it with you. It only weighs less than 2 pounds. It's super light. If you're looking for something like this, I do have the discount code link below at kenfaith.com. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.